Welcome to this Hatha Yoga practice. This is a 5 minute express class. Unroll your mat and let's begin. Stretch your legs and gently move your feet, activating circulation in the legs. Lift your hips. You can look up or look towards the front. Pause here, inhale and exhale. Lower your hips. Inhale, and as you come down, fold your body towards your legs. Breathe freely. Lengthen your legs, lengthen your spine. Come into a plank pose. Take a few breaths here. Now lift your hips back into downward facing dog. Relax your neck and your shoulders. Lift your left foot up, stretching the whole leg and the spine. Lower your left foot. Now lift your right foot up, stretching your leg and your spine. Lower your right foot. Moving to a side plank. Place your left hand on the mat and lift your right arm up to the sky. Both feet stays on the mat. Now lower your left knee. Reach your right arm over your head for a deep stretch. Bring both hands back to the mat. Switch to the other side. Place your right hand on the mat and lift your left arm up. Lower your right knee and reach your left arm over your head, creating a deep stretch through the whole body. Bring both hands back to the mat. Move into a downward facing dog. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Lower your hips, coming to a plank. Slowly lower through chaturanga. Inhale into cobra. From cobra, send your hips back into a child pose, stretching your arms forward and resting your forehead on the mat. Return to tabletop. From here, twist the spine by sliding your left arm under your body, stretching the right arm forward. Come back to tabletop and repeat on the other side. Slide your right arm under your body and stretch your left arm forward. Return to tabletop. Keep your hips lifted and lower your chest as much as you can. You don't need to touch the mat. Just lengthen the spine. Move back into child pose, bringing the hips towards the heels and relaxing the arms around the body. Come up slowly, lay down on your belly, rest your forehead on your arms, lift your feet and lift your hands in Locust pose. Lower down and rest, placing the forehead and feet on the mat. Lift again into Locust, feeling a strength along the back and lower back. Stay here, then rest again. Return to tabletop and move into child pose. Come up to seat, cross your legs, This completes today's class. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you next time. Have a beautiful day.